If you're obsessed with having pearly white teeth like I am, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to share with you the pearly white diet. It's my top secrets to maintaining super white teeth that will have everyone asking if you got veneers. Now, patients often ask me, what's your secret? Your teeth are always white. Now, today I'm going to give you some tips that will keep your teeth sparkling white no matter how much you love coffee, tea, or even red wine. Secret number 1, don't sip your coffee or tea all day long. I know we all love our morning brew, but if you want to keep your teeth white, drink it quickly. Be quick. Do it first thing in the morning, follow up with a glass of water, and brush your teeth afterwards. This way, your teeth will have less exposure to staining agents. Secret number 2, brush 3 times a day. Yes, 3 times. I know it might sound like a lot, but trust me, it works. I personally brush after every meal or snack because I'm undergoing Invisalign treatment. But here's a tip. While the dental advice is to wait 20 minutes after a meal before brushing, if you're short on time, just do it whenever you can, especially after drinking coffee or tea. Secret number 3, get regular professional dental cleanings. Now, some people get them every 6 months, some people get them every 3 months. So do what's best for you. There's nothing like a good deep clean to remove surface stains and keep your teeth looking at their best. Secret number 4, get professionally whitening treatments every year, every 2 years, and maintain them with at-home treatments and products in between. This will help your teeth looking consistently white over the long term. Secret number 5, switch your wine. If you love red wine like I do, this one's for you. Drinking red wine regularly can stain your teeth, so consider switching to a white, rosé, or even better, champagne. Your teeth will thank you. Secret number 6 is watch your spices, watch what you eat and what you cook with. Spices like turmeric, soy sauce, balsamic vinegar can stain your teeth, so use them sparingly if you're aiming for that bright wine smile. And lastly, avoid any tobacco products. Now, we know that they're not only bad for your health, but they are also notorious for causing deep stains on your teeth. So there you have it, my top secrets for maintaining super white teeth. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more dental tips and tricks. Let's keep those smiles bright and beautiful. Thank you.